I think we're just gonna have to think on this one.
Yo, what up?
Hey, man.
Hey, man. What are you doing?
Hey, we were talking about that Trans Am the other day. Did you find anything else out about it?
Yeah, I think he'll sell it. I gotta talk to him. He'll sell it.
Me and Caroline will go over and check it out.
Yeah, no worries.
All right. Just call me back whenever you find something out.
Yeah, no, yeah, I'll take care of it. No problem.
All right. Thanks, bud. Looking pretty good. Getting dirty? Kinda. Well, let's take a break. I really need you to go with me right now.
Please tell me you didn't buy something.
Well, not yet. Let's go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. You look cute with your hat backwards like that.
I just washed my hair, but I'm probably have to wash it again.
Yeah, it's called
All
sanding a
right.
car.
High five.
Okay. Hey,
You want me to get in
yeah,
your
let's go.
black truck?
Come on. Drop the mask. Leave all this out. We're not going to be gone long. Let's go.
Everything in this truck is black.
So,
So, just don't touch.
it's a work truck. Whatever.
Man, that thing looks really good from this far away.
Yeah, I know. I came around the corner. I'm like, yeah. Hey, so talk to Mike, and you remember that? What is it, like the Firebird that's behind the shop?
Which one?
The one that's been there for like 6 years, with the front end taken off of it.
Oh, yeah.
They got to get it out of there. And the guy, I think, is gonna sell it cheap.
So, like, how cheap are we talking?
Well, I don't know, but we need to look at the car and just see if it's something we're interested in, because they're giving us first dibs.
So, do they have everything for it? I don't know anything about this car at all, but I know exactly what car you're talking about.
Well, nobody's there right now, so we can go there. We're not interrupting anybody. We can check it out and see what the deal is. But I want to get down there first because the word's going to get out and somebody's going to scoop that thing up cheap.
What year is that thing?
Like the 95 or 97.
What is with you and these catfish-looking cars?
This is not a cat. This thing's got a badass hood on it. It's going to be awesome. Wait, just come around. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that cruiser.
Oh, that thing's cool.
Okay,
Oh, gosh.
that thing with the cool hood on it. Look at that. Oh. I mean,
I didn't think it was possible, but I think the Camaro's looking better and better.
well, this is definitely a blank slate.
Well, the LS Sport is right behind you.
Yeah, I doubt. I'm sure this is one's blown up.
That's the joke.
This is a joke right here. Who tears the front end out of one of these things and leaves it out like this?
Land Speed Automotive.
No, I don't think Land Speed. I think the guy was working on it.
Did he bring it here like this?
Yeah,
Do you know?
no, he started working on it here. Like Rob was letting him do it like 5 or 6 years ago, and then lost interest.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't realize it was a convertible. It's a ragtop.
It's about as Yeah, I think the Camaro does look better than this.
It's not. It's not.
And then we have a
It's
water
pretty
pump.
bad. Oh man, this has been open for a while too.
You got everything in here except for a motor and transmission. You got wiring harness to probably not it, water pump, some sort of header, another header. Looks like a computer ECU.
Those are definitely the headers because they have the O2 sensors in them. You see them?
Yeah. So for the low price of free, I'd consider it.
This is a convertible Trans Am. It's got to be 95 to 98 version. Look in the door real quick and tell me if it's got a year.
Date 98.
So 98.
98.
I mean, these cars are cheap right now. They're not going to be cheap forever.
Yeah, but so what would you want to do with this?
Revive it.
Well, thank you, Captain Obvious. But I'm saying, like, what's the end goal with it? Do you want to
Revive it and sell it. I mean, you know, running around, they're $3 to $5 grand. If you can get it, if we can get it cheap.
It's like we're gonna have to put probably $3 to $5 grand in it. Ooh, there's ants all over it. Hold on, let me see if there's a key in it. There's no key in it. Not sure where the key is, so I can't open the trunk.
I can see you cruising around in a convertible.
I mean, these things are definitely cool when they're not sitting, but it is just a Chevy platform, which is kind of cool. I don't know.
I wonder if he has a motor for it.
Yeah, that I would be definitely curious about, because that would be...
I just love these hoods. Wait, let me see that hood again. Dude, there's nothing better than that hood.
I mean, the body itself is in really good shape. Probably not going to try to open that. Huh, I wonder what the guy was trying to do with it. I wonder if he was trying to, like, make a drag car out of it or something. I mean, he's got... Where'd it go? There it is. He's got all those, like, fancy little performance parts and stickers, you know? Nitrous technology. It's a good platform.
I'm still just kind of like, why did he take the...
Probably doing an engine swap.
Yeah, but if you're doing an engine swap,
Yeah,
you
but
just take it out the bottom?
I mean, if you look at it, it looks like it'd be a lot easier than above. You don't have to take the radiator out.
Yeah.
So that's probably what he's doing. He probably dropped the whole cradle and then just pulled it out.
That's probably the first time I've ever seen that, though. I mean, all this stuff is very easy to take out.
Yeah, but I have seen a lot of people do it this way.
Really?
I think there's something to it. I don't know much about it, but I think it also has to do with the fact that you're just a jack stand warrior and this is the best way to do it because you just drop it and yank it. But I guess the cool thing about the cradle being out is you can change all this stuff right here instead in the car.
I mean, I can just see you powder coating all this stuff and making it look all brand new again.
Oh yeah, that'd be easy.
You know? But this is, I have definitely walked past this for the past 6 years. 5 or 6 years easily back here.
It's definitely neat. It's weird that it's a convertible. I mean, I've seen these in a convertible, but something about the hardtop is a little cooler for me. But if this thing was kind of like open headered going down the road with a convertible top down, just...
We could put our 5.3 in this real easy. We have it just sitting there.
I don't know. I don't think there's a lot of modifications with that because I think you're so close in years to the LS. This might have been, what, an LT1? Because it was 98.
Ooh, I didn't think about that.
So the wiring harness, I think, is pretty similar. And if you just keep it basic, it would be probably a pretty easy swap to do. So apparently, I think, I could be wrong, but I think this is a military guy's car. Because it says Fort Stewart, right? But it says Department of Defense registered vehicle.
Oh, what year?
Doesn't give me a year. Just as like a number.
Well, we're dealing with the same moldy substance
At least
here.
it's a floor shift, so we can make it like a cool 4-speed really easily.
Oh, it's automatic too.
Yeah, but there's no transmission in it. Rip all that linkage out and just put a big old stick in there.
Give me a smell test.
It's pretty bad.
It's moldy, but not like dead animal bad like the white and orange Camaro.
Now the rats haven't found this yet, just the mosquitoes.
Yeah. So
Hey, you know what's great though?
one super clean by Real Caroline over here. This thing will be like brand new.
I was gonna say we have a new alternator belt. There's a bonus. Why do I get stuck cleaning them?
Because you do such a good job.
Yeah, that's probably my problem. I don't think this is an electric top though, is it? Nope. Probably should pop that. But
It's not electric.
nope. It's got too big.
Interesting.
It's sadly
It's funny what comes into our wheelhouse, right?
it's in really good shape.
What's that?
How to build high performance Chevy LS1 LS6 V8s. So something tells me there was an LT1 or an LS, because they put the LS in the C5 Corvettes, which were, I think, late 90s, early 2000s, right?
Early 2000s, I thought.
Well, either way, this guy wanted to put one in there. Coil packs. I mean, there's a lot of LS stuff in here, so I could be wrong, but this quite possibly, probably not that one, but could have had an LS in it.
What do you think? Should we ask him how much he wants for it?
Yeah, I'm in the same boat as the Camaro, where it's like if the price is right, there are bugs everywhere. Let
Like-
all the mosquitoes out.
Like almost free.
Since it's so close to home, it's gotta be cheap.
I've always really liked the hoods and the whole front ends on these cars.
There's a reason why so many people use these as platforms for drag cars. I think A, because they're cheap, but also B, I'm pretty sure, I could be wrong, but I think they're pretty easy to work on.
The question is, should we find out how easy they are to work on?
It's got potential. It's got potential.
All right, guys, we got another one here. We could possibly buy. I'm just not sure what it's going to go for. I'm not sure what the guy's asking for it, but it can't be much.
Well, since we don't have a motor, it better be pretty cheap.
Give us your thoughts. Leave it in the comments. What you think we should do with this one?
Indeed. I think we're just gonna have to think on this one.
It's the next day. I'm going to call Rob, the owner of Landspeed, and he's been wanting that Trans Am out of his way for quite some time. So, excuse me. Let's see what he has to say.
What's going on?
And what's going on with that Trans Am back there we were talking about the other day?
The Trans Am, it's a piece of garbage. I want it out. The guy just left it here. The front end's out of it. I have the motor and trans. That's out of the car. That's in storage. I have that. But I got to see if I can get a hold of the guy. I haven't seen him in 7 years. So
I know. I've been walking by it for at least 6.
yeah. So I want the thing out. I think this week I'll try to see if I can reach out and see if the guy wants to get rid of this thing. If not, then I'm going to have to file for title to get rid of it.
Okay, so I'll be first on the list, right?
Well, it depends on your attitude.
Attitude? I'm always got a good attitude. What are you
Well,
talking
when you
about?
call, you say, hey, how are you? How are you feeling? How are you doing? That's how people say things.
Okay, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm okay. Thank you for asking.
Good.
Yeah, but this crap, I want it out. Yeah, no, it's got to go. Guy's not going to do anything with it. I mean, I hadn't seen or heard from the guy, you know? So, well, it came in, he had it at some guy's house. They ripped the motor, ripped the front end out of the car, whatever. Okay, I said, yeah, we can probably put it back there. We bring it over here. He gets us to the motor. We did some work on the motor for him, got it ready to go, and then we never heard from him again. So,
Oh, he brought it over there with the front end already out of it.
yes.
Is all the nuts and bolts there?
Well, probably not. I'll just scrap it. I don't want that thing.
Well, no, I don't want to scrap it. I mean, it's pretty cool.
I do. I want to scrap it.
You want to scrap it.
Yes.
I know, but I don't want to scrap it.
No, I want to scrap it.
No, I want to save it. I want to save it like right there. We'll put it right back together right there.
Yeah, well, there's a saying, you can't polish a turd. And that's what this is.
I polish them all the time. All right, is this thing worth saving or not? You got to figure this out. Look at these cars that come in our wheelhouse all the time, and we just don't know whether to pass or go after them. Because I could put it in the storage container and like save it for a couple of years down the road, and then we could build it. Needs to come inside for sure, but what do you guys think? Let us know.